You are my superstar. You brought me where I am today. I couldn't come this far.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Where, and if you're new here, you have to clap. Okay. Welcome. So today I have Flo here with me, and this is actually a collab. Flo has actually, you need to introduce yourself.
Okay. Hello guys, my name is Florentina. So I run a restaurant review channel, and yes.
So today she's my model for my channel, and then afterwards you guys need to go, actually you need to subscribe to her channel. She reviews restaurants in Nigeria, not just Lagos, but then in Nigeria as a whole, but then mostly Lagos. And you guys know December is coming. You want to know the hot spots and the not spots, so save yourself some money and go and watch Flo's reviews so that you can know where to eat, your budget, according to your budget, whatever. Yeah. Flo is your girl. So today I'm going to create a look on her.
How has it been doing makeup generally? Like, what's the biggest challenge doing makeup in Nigeria?
Where should I start from?
The biggest one.
The biggest one might be the fact that we're a lot. Okay. So everybody, their sister and their mommy is a makeup artist. So the whole point of the artistry has even been destroyed.
Okay.
And then getting jobs is a bit challenging.
There's so many people are doing
exactly that. There's nothing you can do that someone can't do. So building your clientele and getting clients basically is the most challenging part, because there are times where you go and months no client. Oh, really? No clients. Yes.
Wow. So I feel like there's always so much need for makeup.
Well, yeah, but then also there's like a set of people that just keep getting those jobs. Let's just be honest. I'm just going to be as truthful as possible. Okay. There's that set of people that keep getting booked. Right. Like, no matter what. I don't want to mention names because obviously this is going online, but then there are makeup artists that people queue to use them. You get like.
But give us tea now.
No, tea. There are tea channels. Go and watch those ones.
Make this a
Jesus channel. We only talk about Jesus things.
Girl, even in the Bible there was tea.
There was tea.
Things that happened that the Israelites were like, what? So
there was constant tea. No, I'm just saying we all know with these makeup artists that we like. Do you understand? There are people that keep getting booked, and it's like the clients keep rolling in that center.
True.
That's just the truth.
Because
someone thinks that they know someone that knows someone. You might use me now and you're like, you swear by me, like this girl is good. Like she might not be that popular, but then she's good. Yeah. There's also someone that is swearing by her own makeup artist, and they're all saying something to your clients, and everybody's talking, and she's like, okay.
Then she's overwhelmed
exactly
by
my point.
Yeah.
That's just how it is, and it's pretty annoying, to be honest, because being an entrepreneur in general is just annoying in Nigeria.
But I feel like there's so much money to be made out there.
Yeah, so
we just have to keep trying, and everybody just has to put their work out there.
That's just the truth.
Because people are watching, and so many people are watching.
That one I can't even deny, that watching thing, because you'll be shocked who knows about you and who is speaking about you.
Do you understand? Like, my channel is just 3 months old, and already I have some restaurants actually contact me, and ask for like reviews, and I try to explain to them that it has to be honest reviews. Do you understand? Because it's not like just adverts.
But the thing is, people don't even mind honest reviews anymore.
So how have you managed to grow your channel to where it is right now?
To be honest, I don't even know how to answer the question. That's just the funniest part.
Consistency.
It's funny because
every time I open a video, how to grow a channel,
consistency. That's just the truth.
Oh my god.
I'm telling you, see.
But there are channels that have 100 videos with 50 views on each of the videos.
Is the video... Does the video... Does it contain quality? Let me just put it that way. No, like if you don't know, like now, if I'm a makeup channel now and I start every day, I come here, I'm even though people like story, they like to gist, they like to hear the juice in quotes. But if that's all I do you know the people that are following me for makeup are going to lose interest?
No, but there are people, there are like big YouTubers in the world that do like daily vlogs that, okay, sorry to mention names.
No,
a brand like Cassie Neistat, I feel like he does a lot of clickbaiting. His content is like how to build a channel, and he just goes about and he shows you how he's moving on the road and when he gets back to his house, and he doesn't really tell you anything, but people still watch. And people are still like back to back. Even the haters that are there like, oh, your content is so bad, but they are still viewing, you know, so it's still growing anyways. So like I really want to know what the real secret is to growing your channel.
I feel like I pushed it on also on my other social media too. Okay. Like I didn't just expect YouTube to grow. Do you get? I was intentional about it. I went on my every time I post a new video, I go to my Instagram and I'm shouting, there's a new video, go and watch. Do you get? And from people watching, so people actually find me really hilarious. Do you get? So I guess one person is telling one person. I really don't know how it happened, to be honest. And I also know, I also feel like when I did that Chidima video, that was when everything just went upward. Because after I did Chidima's video, I gained like 2,000 subscribers in like less than a week.
Wow.
Like,
wow, that must have been really big.
It was insane. My email was flaming, blowing up. Wow. I kept getting subscribe, something subscribe. Wow. Like after a while I was just like, okay.
And this was, you advertised it on Instagram?
She didn't even post it on her own page. That's the funniest part.
So it just went up.
It just went viral by itself.
Wow.
Do you get? And me, I was even expecting to take time, like because nobody goes. It's not like I go on YouTube and type Chidima and hoping to see a makeup tutorial about her. Do you get? So I don't even know. I guess also you also have to know the algorithm works. So the more people watch your video and like it, comment under it, the more YouTube recommends it to other people. From there, those people see it randomly on their own.
So the videos that are big get even bigger, and the videos that are small don't even grow at all.
Perfect.
Wow, that's just
you already get the whole thing.